Data-driven marketing is transforming the way businesses approach growth, turning guesswork into strategy and intuition into measurable success. In today's competitive UK market, using data effectively can be the difference between campaigns that fail and those that deliver powerful returns. So, how can entrepreneurs use data-driven marketing to boost ROI? It starts with understanding your audience through analytics tools like Google Analytics, Meta Insights, and HubSpot help you track customer behavior. From website visits to purchase patterns, this information tells you who your audience is, what they like, and how they interact with your brand. For example, if data shows that most of your traffic comes from mobile users in Manchester searching during lunchtime, you can tailor your ad schedule and design for that specific audience. The more you personalize, the higher your conversion rates. In fact, according to industry reports, data-driven campaigns are up to 5 times more effective than non-personalized ones. Start by setting clear KPIs like conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and lifetime value, so you know exactly what success looks like. Use A/B testing on ads, emails, and landing pages to see what messaging performs best, and rely on the data rather than assumptions. Marketing automation tools powered by AI and machine learning, such as MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or Salesforce, can track customer journeys in real time and automatically adjust campaigns for maximum performance. Next, segment your audience into smaller groups based on demographics, behavior, or location. A one-size-fits-all message rarely works anymore. Customers expect brands to understand their needs. For instance, a London-based entrepreneur selling eco-friendly products can target sustainability-conscious millennials on Instagram while using LinkedIn to reach corporate buyers. With every campaign, collect feedback and performance data, then refine your strategy. Data also helps in identifying which marketing channels give the best ROI, whether it's paid search, email, influencer marketing, or organic social media. For example, if analytics show that your email campaigns bring more conversions than Facebook ads, shift more budget there. Another powerful strategy is predictive analytics, which uses historical data to forecast future trends. This allows you to anticipate what your customers might want next, helping you stay ahead of competitors. In 2025, marketers are using AI tools like ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, and Power BI to analyze customer sentiment and market trends at scale, turning complex data into clear insights. 78% of UK consumers say they trust brands more when they use data responsibly, so always comply with GDPR, collect only what's necessary, and give users control over their privacy preferences. When used ethically, data doesn't just increase profits, it strengthens trust and loyalty. The key takeaway: data-driven marketing isn't about cold numbers. It's about smarter decision-making that connects you to real people in more authentic and efficient ways. As an entrepreneur, embracing data means you no longer waste money on trial and error. Instead, every pound spent works